Have you ever felt deeply hurt not by life but by have you ever wondered how to stop caring so much about others' opinion? Let me tell you a story not just to teach you but to help you. Okay, chapter 1. Deep in the forest of old Kyoto was a small monastery. Inside lived a monk named Kensho, called the Silent Heart. He never got angry, never retaliated, he just listened. People say he was wisdom in human form. Chapter 2. One day a rich young scholar named Takeshi came to him. He said, "You think you are holy. You are just hiding." Takeshi laughed. Insolent tries to provoke him every day. But Kensho never answered. He never even looked up. Chapter 3. One morning, Takeshi slammed a cup. It shattered on the floor. He shouted, "Have you no pride? Have you no backbone?" For the first time, Kensho spoke. He said, "It's a cup, that's beautiful, wheel broken." Takeshi was silent, but he was not ready to listen. Takeshi tried a final plan. He spread rumors in the village. He said, "This monk is a fraud. He brainwashed my sister." Villagers came, shouted threats, but Kensho, he was meditating. He never raised his voice, never defended himself. Chapter 5. 1 week later, the rumor proved false. Every day apologized. But can you guess who felt the heaviest? Takeshi. He came back, Ningsh, and his eyes full of tears. "How did you ignore all that's hate?" he asked. Kensho said, "Hate is never about me, it's always about them." And last chapter. If you carry everyone pain, you only contaminate you slow. Learn to ignore, not out of arrogance but out of protection. Not everybody deserves a response you place is priceless. Let no one pollute it. Rumor guest sold drone not caps back the glow back. Next time someone tries to pull you down, do not get endeared. Just remember Kensho and keep silence like a sweet. Do not take the gift. Do not inhale the poison. Choose peace.